Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint historic template in just 6 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and then you can use it for your own personal use, and it is a completely free. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to Insert tab and insert an image for the background. Now you're going to increase its size and make the entire slide be covered by it. Go to crop to shape and insert a rounded corner shape, and you're going to make it this much rounder and go to aspect ratio and click on 16:9. You have to go to picture corrections and you're going to decrease the brightness of this image. Next, insert a text box in which you're going to write your first title, increase its size, make it align into the middle, and we're going to change its color to white, and you have to change its font. Next, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, and we're going to move it, and we're going to insert our second text box in which we're going to write our second title, and next this third title. So this template is almost all complete. Now let's duplicate the slide, and what we're going to do is decrease this image size. We're going to put it onto the right side, and for the text, let's select all of them, and while holding shift, we're going to move them slowly upwards. Let's create out of the slide, and let's now create some difference between them. Next, we're going to change the background's color to black and then apply it to all of the slides. Now let's decrease the picture size because we want it to be smaller. Go to picture corrections, and now let's give it increased brightness so that we can see the picture. Next, we're going to insert another text box in which you're going to add your time, like the timeline. So exactly, these templates are historic timeline templates. So we're going to use like a timeline, a year or a date in this. So let's just insert our content text, decrease its size. We're going to change this color to white, and let's give it some spacing. Here you go. Next, we're going to put it just below the text box, which is title box. And we're going to remove the unwanted parts, and here you go. Next, we're going to align it onto the left side. And the next thing we're going to do is insert a straight line just right here from the border of the white border of the slide till the image. Now send it to the back, go to shape weight, and we're going to use the thinnest weight for it. Duplicate this slide, and we're going to one by one move each of the content out of the slide while holding shift because we don't want the images or the shapes to move alone. We're going to make this line touch the left corner of the slide, and then we're going to insert an image that we want to use in this template. So let's crop it to around the corner rectangle. We're going to crop it like this so that we can adjust our image and make it fully visible into the slide. So here you go. Now the next step what you have to do is just duplicate, let me just duplicate this text box because I'll just use this text again in this template. You can customize it as you wish to customize it, but for now I'll just do what I'm doing. Next we're gonna insert a picture that covers the entire slide and send it to the back, and we're gonna go to picture correction in format shape, and we're gonna decrease its brightness as we did in the first template. Similarly, we're going to click on crop option and then crop this picture that it only covers the slide and does not go out of the slide. Next, we're going to go paste this picture onto the second slide, and then while holding shift, we're going to move it onto the right side. Similarly, paste all the other contents on the previous slide as well and move them either onto the right side or left side or top or below the slide out of the template. But be sure to hold shift while doing this because it is really critical action for the morph transition. Now duplicate the third slide and move all of the content out of the slide, including this image and text and other images. Now we're going to insert new text box with new information in them, and one goes upwards and one goes below the line. Let's just move this line while holding shift as well out of the slide onto the left side. Next, we're gonna insert two images. We're gonna give them like crop them to around corner rectangle shape. Let's decrease one of them and then crop them from crop option. And similarly, we're gonna adjust it. And let's put this one right here. And be sure to adjust your image because when you insert an image and change the shape, though it can't be really adjusted and it might be thinner or thicker, so it is our responsibility to like adjust them. So next we're gonna insert the other dates right here. Let me just insert some random date. You can check it out from internet using your own knowledge. Next we're gonna put this of the contents of the fourth slide and then we're gonna copy them and paste them onto the third slide and we're gonna move them one by one out of the slide, either onto the right or the left or below on top. So copy the contents of second slide and then paste them onto the first slide and move them out of the slide. The thing that I have to tell you is that if the shape is more nearer to the right side, then move it to the right side. Now select all of the slides and give them more transition. So this is the final result of this entire template. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Be sure to comment down as well because your opinion means a lot to us. You can check out my other videos from the link in the description because I have given all of the free templates in each of the video.